All right, we're going to have some fun today by making fruit faces in Photoshop. Here's some examples of what yours might look like. They do not have to look just like this, but basically we're taking fruit and veggies and in Photoshop putting them together to make a silly face. So step one, we're going to go over to Google and you're going to find sort of a base fruit that you want to start off with as the main face, and you can save it. So let's see, let's try this. Pear is awfully nice. If I double tap or right click, I can do save as, save image as. I'm going to title this pear, making sure it's in the download folder. I'm going to go to Photoshop and I'm going to go to File, Open, and find my pear and open it up. I'm going to do a Command 0 or zoom in. This one is looking a little bit pixelated. I don't like that. I'm going to try doing the orange one that I just downloaded a minute ago, see if that's any higher quality. Yeah, that's good. So you want to make sure that when you're looking at it 100% on your screen that it's not too pixelated. All right, now you're going to go over to Google and you're going to try to find all the different little kinds of things that you can, fruits and veggies that you're going to copy and paste on to make your face. Maybe these cherries could be fun as eyes. So instead of downloading this, I'm actually just going to copy it. Again, a right click or a two-finger tap on the laptop trackpad, and I can just copy image, go back to Photoshop, paste, much larger. The cherries are much larger than the orange, so I just zoomed out. I'm just going to resize it. Now, the contextual taskbar is going to really help us out here. See how there's a remove background? A reminder that if you don't have that, you can go to Window and find the contextual taskbar, turn that on. But mine is there, and I can look, remove background. It's as simple as clicking the button. Now I will scale this, put it where the eyes would be, and I don't think the stem looks great, and you're going to run into this where there's parts of your image that you don't look like. Go to your eraser, get it the correct size. Remember, you can use bracket keys, and just erase the part that you don't like. Okay. Now, they don't really look like eyes yet. I'm going to go over to Google and see if I can find something. Let's make, how about a blackberry? Just two-finger tap. Copy image, go over here, paste. Again, it's giant. Command or Control minus will get this much smaller, so I can just scale this down. Command 0, put it in there. Click on this. Oh, it doesn't have remove background. Bummer. Okay, so that's okay though. We know how to do this. We're going to use the magic wand tool to click on that white part and just hit the delete on the delete key or deselect. Going to scale. And so basically I wanted these to look like the pupils or the irises on this. So now I have one. Let's just copy it, right? Shall we? Edit, copy, edit, paste. So now we have another one. Okay, so now I'm starting to get my eyes there going. Now you can go back and find a mouth, a smile, an orange slice would work for a smile. Copying, pasting, remove background is right there. Remember I said we could use the eraser tool for the part that we don't want, right? Because I just want the smile. And you want to remember like all the different tools that you know how to rotate things, right? Hover your mouse around the corner, whoop, scale it, and my face is starting to come together. Now you should add ears and hair and any other details that you want. Just kind of cleaning up this little orange smile. I think I might even, you can, if you hold down the shift key, you can stretch and warp things, make my smile a little bit more smiley. And keep going until you have faces that look something like this, and then go ahead and save it. Have fun.